Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to teach you how to fix download contacts from Gmail on iPhone in iOS 15. Solution number 1: download contacts from Gmail. First go to Settings app on your iPhone. Swipe down and click on Mail. On the next page, now click on Accounts. Click on Add Accounts. Then select Google. Enter your Google username. Enter your password. Enter verification code. Turn off contacts, then wait for few seconds. Turn it back on. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel.